4 terror launch pads in Neelam Valley in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir have been targeted and destroyed by the Indian Army. Media reports said, quoting sources. Fatalities have also been reported. Indian Army has launched attacks on terrorist camps situated inside Pakistan-occupied Kashmir opposite the Tangdhar sector. Indian Army used artillery guns to target the terrorist camps which have been actively trying to push terrorists into Indian territory. Indian Army has caused heavy damage there. Against the backdrop of the developments surrounding the Indo-NAGA peace talks, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has instructed the state police to remain alert, according to sources. It is worth mentioning that Naga interlocutor R.N. Ravi has given assurance on bringing a final solution to the long-pending Naga political problem within this month. ASSAM Manipuri Sahitya Parisad, Kamrup district today held its 32nd annual meeting at Sri Sri Hari Mandir Mandap located at Patarkuchi, Beltola, Guwahati. Banking services are likely to be hit next week as 2 bank unions have threatened to go on a 24-hour strike on October 22nd in protest against the recently announced bank mergers, falling deposit rates and outsourcing of jobs, a media report said. All Manipur PHED Workers and Employees Association has demanded employment of 157 casual and master role staff who have been working for more than 20 years as work charge employees and also to fill up the die-in-harness post in the Public Health Engineering Department. Unknown armed miscreants suspected to be NSCN launched an attack on 40 Assam Rifles DCOY camp located at Henloiso village under Mon district of Nagaland in the wee hours today. According to media reports, some civilians were injured as they were hit by stray bullets in the incident. Later, on conducting a spot investigation by security forces, 75 empty cases of bullets were recovered from the site. The 4th Meitei Janu 2019 beauty pageant will be held this evening at the Manipur Trade and Expo Centre, Lamboi, Khongnangkhong, Imphal. The event is organized by Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung. The glittering event will be attended by Speaker of Manipur Assembly Y. Khemchan, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and other distinguished personalities. Personality Development Training Center WANGKHEI celebrated its 5th Foundation Day today at its premises located at WANGKHEI Ayangpali Road, Imphal. Former IMC Councillor and President of Film Academy Manipur, Sapam Momon Singh, IMC Ward Number 20 Co-operator Lokrakpam Tombi Debi and General Secretary of Manipur State Council for Child Welfare Imphal, Yumnam Sarat Singh, were present at the event. KWAKTA Municipal Council organized a cleanliness drive at KWAKTA BAZAR today as part of the Mahatma Gandhi Sankalp Yatra under the supervision of Moirang Constituency MLA P. Sarachandra. Workers of Moirang BJP Mandal, councillors of Moirang Municipal Council and BJP workers were also present at the cleanliness drive. NSCN-IM Chairman Q2C said the Indian authorities which deal with the Naga talks are well informed that the Indo-NAGA political solution without Naga flag and constitution is not conclusive and that it will create a room for future headache, according to reports. Clarifying the position of the political talks between the centre and the National Socialist Council of Nagalim, Tusi in a statement said on Saturday, after coming so close to the point of conclusion, we are facing hurdles on the issues of Naga flag and constitution. Social Service and Welfare Association THOUBAL celebrated its 30th Foundation Day at the association complex today. Various cultural and traditional programs were showcased during the program. The Akhil Bharatiya Marwari Mahila Sammelan Hozai branch has installed manual sanitary napkin vending machines at 2 girls' schools in Assam's Hozai district. The initiative is a bid to provide relief from menstruation problems to girls during school hours. All Manipur Traditional Belt Wrestling Association has organized trial selection for the upcoming 8th National Traditional Wrestling Championship 2019. The championship will be held from November 21st to 24th at LB Indoor Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana. In the WACO India National Kickboxing Championship 2018-19 held at Maharana Pratap Sports College, Dehradun, Uttarakhand from October 17 to 20, Manipur team has yet again brought laurels to the state, winning several medals. Pinkathon Day was observed at Sai Field, Guwahati today. Empowering women run in 5 countries and 50 cities. Pinkathon is India's biggest women's run, created with the objective of spreading awareness about women's health-related issues, breast cancer in particular. Through the Pinkathon, women are encouraged to adopt health and fitness in their daily lifestyle by means of running.